Speak Today, which is a really fantastic product. I have been studying this product and researching this product and myself experimented and a lot of things which really can make the people to improve their English and communication skills much fasterly. And the other advantage is that people can practice this anytime. They can practice in their house, they can practice in their internet cafe, and even practice in their in our lab. We have made it an English lab exclusively for Speak Today to practice. Our students are really happy. Our counselors and managers are also really excited about, because it has different modules.
And we are really happy that it's very helpful for our students to improve their communication skills, listening skills, as well as how to pronounce each word in English. So I would always recommend all the students to go ahead and get admission done even for Speak Today.
This product has come out so well that anybody, anywhere, however they can use it. This product is so aesthetic that a person who's a layman, even they can use it, as well as a person who is educated or non-educated, anybody can use it.
The best way to train yourself would be using Speak Today. Speak Today will help you do things as simple as maybe making a sentence to maybe something as detailed as giving an interview. It has a very simple software. It is an online English training program which helps not only for English training but also for accent training. It is a very simple software, very user friendly as well. You need not be an expert in computers to play around with the software.
So I've seen people who are very interested and curious to know about Speak Today, and we also have a few students who come here and practice Speak Today regularly. So I would recommend, yes, Speak Today. Also, it will, as I said, it will improve your pronunciation, grammatical mistakes, and if any grammatical mistakes, it would also give us the mistakes on where we have to correct. If it comes to advanced English, yes, I think Speak Today is the better product.
ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ಗೇಮ್ ಥರ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಲಿಸನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ. ಮತ್ತು ನಾವು ಸ್ಪೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಕಲಿಬೋದು, ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹೇಗೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಲಿಬೋದು. ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ಒಂಥರ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಗೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇದು ಕಲಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಥರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ.
ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಟುಡೇ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಯುವ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಅನೇಕ ಜನರು ಕೂಡ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷನ್ನು ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ಕಲಿಬೋದು, ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಫಲಿತಾಂಶವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷಿಸಬಹುದು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದು ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸಿ. ಕಾಸು ಖರ್ಚಾಗುತ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಭಯವಿರಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಹೋದರೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಹೋದರೂ 1500-900ವರೆಗೂ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಕಲಿಯುವ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕನ್ನೋದು ವಿನಂತಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಟುಡೇ ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಆಸಕ್ತಿಕರವಾಗಿ ಕಲಿಯಬಹುದು.
Just came across that software. It helped me a lot. You could improve my sentences, my words, my accent. So I really feel Speak Today is really improving our life day by day. Though we don't learn it from our teachers, it's easy for us to learn it from Speak Today.
Yes, it is one of the wonderful medium to learn English within a short span of time.
It contains a special feature known as Virometer, through which we can check our communication skills.
With different modules, with different topics.
Now I can speak anywhere in English with full confidence.
Speak Today has just made the life great.
Speak Today is great.